In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Apollo.io for free. If you're looking to access this powerful platform without paying a dime, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in. First up, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the search bar. You'll want to type in Apollo.io free and hit enter. This is going to bring up a host of search results for you. Among these, look for the link that directly leads you to Apollo.io's sign-up page, most likely labeled as Apollo.io sign up for free. Click on this link to move forward. Once you're on the registration page, Apollo.io makes it super convenient for you to create an account. You have multiple options to choose from, so no need to worry if you don't remember a certain password. First, you can sign up using your Google account. It's straightforward and quick. Simply click on the Sign Up with Google button and follow the prompts to link your Google account to Apollo.io. For those who handle a lot of their business through Google services, this option might be the most seamless. Alternatively, you can opt to sign up using your Microsoft account. This is equally simple. Just click the Sign Up with Microsoft button and allow Apollo to access your basic Microsoft account details. This method is great if your professional life revolves around Microsoft tools like Outlook or Office 365, but perhaps you prefer keeping things separate or using work-specific credentials. In that case, Apollo allows you to sign up with your work or company email. Enter your email and proceed through the sign-up process. This option might appeal more to those who want to maintain a professional boundary between personal and work-related accounts. Just be prepared to verify your email through a confirmation message they'll send to you. Finally, once you're signed up using any of these methods, proceed to click on the Sign Up for Free button. And that's it. You now have free access to Apollo.io's treasure trove of powerful insights and tools. It's a fantastic way to boost your business capabilities without the financial investment, at least to start. Whether you're digging for robust contact data, engaging with prospects, or streamlining your sales process, Apollo.io provides an excellent suite of features. So there you have it. Simple and easy steps to start using Apollo.io without any cost. Remember, each method of signing up offers the same functionalities at absolutely no charge. Explore and leverage the capabilities of Apollo.io as you move forward in your professional endeavors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful guides and tips.